everyone, I'm back with another video. As you can see in the title, today I'll be making a birthday cake for my brother. So his birthday is coming up, and it's not the first time I'm making a cake nor a birthday quick cake, but hopefully this one goes well. I'm not a huge fan of making icing, it's just not working out for me, but hopefully in this video it does. Ensure to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification, and let's get into the video.
Alright, so first thing we're gonna make the icing, and we'll need 2 egg whites. So that's what I'm doing right now. Let's break the egg and try to extract only the egg whites as much as possible. Okay, you don't want that yolk, you don't want to get E. coli, okay? So ensure to extract it, and you'll do that for the second egg as well. I did another technique for the second egg. So that is, crack a small section of the egg and release all the egg white out, and what will remain is the egg yolk. So it's much better that way, and cleaner and safer. So that's what I'm doing right there. And don't worry, I won't be wasting the egg yolk. I'll be adding it to the mixtures, so one for each mixture, because I'm making 2 cake actually, but I'm showing the one that I made for my brother. Okay, so next you're gonna whisk away and ensure to mix this properly. Remember, you're gonna use it for the icing, and you can see my icing sugar over there and my vanilla, and I'm gonna add some color as well to it. Only one type of color is there. Yes, so I'm gonna add it to the icing, and you'll see that shortly. Okay, so I just mix it around in a bigger container so I can get the full mixture done and whisk properly. Now I added the icing sugar to it, and I put it on low because I don't want it to be flying around the place. I was trying to get it to sieve, but it wasn't sieving properly, so what I did is just add it and try to mix it as much as possible so it can become smooth. So that's what I'm doing right now, and it was in the fridge, so that's why it's looking like that firm, too firm for me. So you see me changing the speed here and there while mixing to get rid of all the ice balls that are in there, and I just add more each time. I don't want to add a lot, just a couple at a time, but I think that was the last set that I added as well. Alright, so right here I'm just scraping down the icing so I can get an even mixture and not wasting any of the icing at all, and so that it tastes good as well. So that's what I'm doing right here with a mini spatula or whatever you call this. Yeah, and then I'll mix again. So next I'm going to add the vanilla. The vanilla will give it a more nicer taste to the icing. Icing is just sugar basically and egg white. So to give it more a little bit of flavor, just add that vanilla to it and continue mixing. Okay, so this is the texture that I get. To be honest, I wish I could add some more icing into it, because at the end of the time I put it on the cake, it was melting just a little bit. I wanted it to be thicker so it don't melt at all, but this is a good consistency anyways, so I wasn't too mad at it. Okay, so here comes the fun part. I'm gonna add the color, and the color is green because that's the only color I have. But it wasn't bad. For the cake that I was making, it was pineapple cake, and it was yellow actually, so or orange yellow, yeah. But it looked great on the cake. You will see that, and I'm sure you've seen it in the thumbnail, but yeah. And it was really a good color for it because it turned out to be lime green. Isn't it pretty? Oh my gosh. And wait until it fully mixes out, you'll see how good it looks. I think I'm gonna add a little tip more to it. Okay, so this is how it looks. Now I'm gonna add it to the icing bag. This is a makeshift icing bag. I couldn't find my icing bag, so this is what I'm using right now. And I'm gonna keep it in the fridge until I'm ready to use it. I think I try to use a tip, but you'll see what happened in the end. Oh, that's my sister there helping me get it into the bag. Okay, now I'm gonna make the cake. So there it is, the pineapple cake, and it's simple, it's quick, it's easy than for actually buying the products, which is more expensive. And if you're in quarantine, it's a great way to kill time and to do something fun, or even a quarantine birthday gift. This is really great, okay, and cheap and inexpensive, so why not just buy this and get the simple ingredients, oil and egg. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm adding the water right now, and then I'm going to add the oil, and lastly I'm gonna add the eggs. There you go, there you go. Well, mix and proper. I remember the other egg that I added, the egg yolk that I added from the icing. So they're mixing it all first before I use the hand mixer. So watch it. Look at how it goes, man. It's looking so nice, yellow, pretty. Oh. I'm so proud of myself for this. It's so simple. All right, yeah, that's it, I think. Okay, so after mixing, I'm gonna add 2 minutes and mix with the hand mixer. So 2 minutes of that. Okay, so now that I'm finished, I'm gonna add a little secret. Yes, some chocolate chips in there. And let me tell you guys, this was really a great treat when eating with the cake. Oh my gosh, if only you could taste it afterwards. It is really nice, okay? Just take my word for it, it was really nice. Okay, so next I'm just gonna mix around. I'm not gonna use the hand mixer so it crushes or even melts faster. So that's what I'm not gonna do. Just use my hands and mix it around thoroughly. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is add it to the baking tin ensure to oil it first and add my wax paper, or you can call it parchment paper. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, and adding the mixture in. Ensure it's smooth and nice, and ensure to clean that pot. Do you have a kid? No. So ensure to clean the pot. If you do, don't make them lick the butter. It's not good for you, okay? So yes, clean, clean, clean. Okay, so now I'm gonna ensure that it's smooth. So I shake, 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 and make sure it's flat, even out, and nice. And gonna put it in. Alright guys, so this is the end result. Yes, it looks like a baby cake and he's not. But yeah, happy birthday, bro. This is it. It's not the best icing at all, but make it work. Happy birthday.
It's the
So thank you. Yes, it's a thought that counts. So thank you for watching. Yeah, this is it.
Alright, thank you all for watching. Ensure to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification. Hope you enjoyed this video. Was it a success? Was it not? So thank you for liking, subscribing, and if you want to see how I made this shirt, you can look at the back. You can check my video at the top right here. And thank you for watching. Bye.